Another day usually means another major cyber attack in the headlines. A company was hacked, data leaked, and user information compromised again. Many business owners believe their business is too small to worry about being targeted. The unfortunate truth is most businesses are too small to make the news, but they're the perfect size to be targeted. It's less work for cybercriminals to compromise a small and medium-sized business, yet highly profitable when the owner has to pay to receive their critical data back. Knowing small and medium businesses are a prime target, it's more important than ever for these business owners to address the risk head-on versus ignoring it. That's why we focus on educating and protecting the business professionals in our community. Oftentimes, a few changes can drastically improve the cybersecurity posture of your business and avoid major disruption. Whether you need advice, training, or a full cybersecurity roadmap for your business, we're truly here to help. Book a call today to speak with one of our business cybersecurity experts.